Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me here today.
That goes for a buck.
I'm making a fire alarm video.
While the aunties try some
Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video. So today we're going to do a fire alarm video.
And if you know where to look,
I'm wondering what type of pole
there are special
station I use. Hold on.
those hard to reach places.
Yeah, I got a little bit more keys.
How to use the larger rocks
I'm not showing. You're wondering what pole station I want. I have this.
After months at sea. But the family doesn't have exclusive use of this wellness retreat.
A pole station inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. But it is in there. Hold on guys, I'll show you what it looks like inside. I just need 1 moment.
And yellowing skin and shed parasites. This scrub until it's gleaming white.
Well, that was easy.
Little babies learn the importance of self-care.
Whoa, oh my god.
To enjoy the endless health benefits.
Oopsies.
Creating one of the
So as you see here we have a
on Earth.
BG12LX. Show you what it looks like inside. I know you can't really see it.
With pleasure is
That's what
all
it looks like inside.
and can be heard below the water for miles around. But beluga voices are being drowned out by a new threat. Noise pollution.
So yeah, for the alarms, the only alarm we have.
The Arctic Ocean is changing from a quiet, icy haven
And I have this old-fashioned die. I made it.
to a highway.
Let me just. So yeah.
Cutting through the North and the work. Increased traffic is bad news for motorists.
So that's what it looks like when we turn it on.
The world panels and
So yeah, that's what we have for the alarm.
are racing to stake their claim to this final frontier.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Industrial exploration happening every year to meet the world's demands.
So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, guys.
Technology, like this remotely operated vehicle, is allowing
Here we
us
go,
to
3,
explore previously uncharted depths.
The fire alarm takes a moment to turn on. That way, this guy.
3.5 miles beneath the seas, there's a primal source of heat,
Here's our panel.
a deep sea volcano
Let's see. Oh, right now it's an alarm.
ever found.
See, right now it's an alarm.
Precious metals.
Let's go system. Let's go press acknowledge.
Tons of minerals and 90 billion barrels
System
of oil.
silence.
lie in the Arctic Sea.
Takes a couple seconds for the alarm to silence. Here it goes.
Becomes easier to access
The light won't turn on unless the upper system reset.
or becoming possible. The Arctic's deep-sea treasures are still being discovered. But they're already in great
Current
peril.
station is resetted now.
Now we have a choice. To exploit or protect these incredible new discoveries.
Here we go, there's our blue light.
Just over
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in another video.
the Arctic Ocean. Coming full circle.
I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye.
Early summer, the shores of northeastern Scotland.